Hi, this is Jamie Philpott just describing the relationship between the tangent and an ellipse. So for this problem what we were given was one focal point and a point on the curve on the ellipse that we got told about. So we then had to find about the ellipse. So as we found out after a while, the distance from the focal point here to the point on the curve back to the other focal point is always equal to the same distance as the major diameter. So we just prove that there. So that distance there in that line is 31.80, and the distance of this line is 68.92. And if you add both of them together, then you get a sum of 100, which we'll check here now, is also the distance of the major diameter. So what we're just explaining is how the tangent is actually a line of reflection for a focal point, which we chose this focal point here, but you could just as easily use this focal point to the line. So what we did was, when we constructed the tangent, we just continued the focal point through the focal point line through the point on the ellipse and continued it out. Since this line and this line, the two of them added together, has to be equal to the major diameter, what we did was we did an equal line here to the focal line, and that turned out to be symmetrical to the tangent for this line. What this proves then is that the line from this point up to this point is 100, which is also equal to the major diameter and is also equal to the two focal lines together. But as you can see, anywhere we move this curve, this line is still 100. Can't see it there. There you go, still 100. And another thing we can prove is the distance of this line is, as you can see, that's, I'll just click into it so you can see it better. It's 75.78. So that's the distance to that. Just delete and keep that there to prove it. And then we get the distance to the focal point, and as you can see, they're the same distance, 75.678. So as I proved there, the axis, or the tangent, acts as a axis of symmetry for a line from the point to one focal point, and it helps us understand more about the tangent. Thanks.